We gotta get in the light, dude. This is Operation Crackhead Air Horn Strike.
I guess.
Coming to you live from Crackhead Camera. As you can see, get over here in the light, dude. As you can see, we have purchased an air horn from Party America. See? It's nice. Party America, baby. Let's go.
That's right.
We're attempting to, what are we going to do? Give the couch monster a heart attack?
Yes.
So that's pretty much what we're shooting for.
Yes.
We're trying to kill off an endangered species tonight. The endangered couch monster. You must be quiet. We're entering the couch monster's lair. We creep slowly through the hallway like ninjas.